Okay, so back to the demo for the packet tracer. So what I want to do is first see what's on this router. I haven't been in the router in a long time, actually for about 3 months, so show. Someone doesn't have sound. Hold on. It looks like you're muted. Can you hear me now? Well, I just did something, didn't I? Who did I share that with? All right. Can we all see the packet tracer? All right. Now we're back to packet tracer. Everybody can see it now? Okay. I'm not sure about the sound issue for the whoever. So I'm going to show run. And it looks all normal. Oh, there's a new command, right? So it looks like this has one on already. So now I want to do some testing. So, if you look at this, it's actually using router OSPF, okay, which is not much different than what we learned, but we'll learn that too. So here's my ACL. It's quite extensive. So I'm not going to go through every line right now, but basically, the network on the right is a 172.16.1 network, and you can see the IPs of 100, 101, and 102. So this router has IPs of 172.16.1, and then the serials 10.10.10.02, 10.10.10.2 with a 30-bit mask. Over here, once again, 10.10.10.1 with the 30-bit mask, and the fast Ethernet is 192.168.1. So these servers are over here being servers. First thing we want to do, can we even ping? 192.168.1.1. 1.1 is the router, so I really want 1.100.
Okay.
Oh. So looking at my ACL, do you see anything here about pinging, ICMP? So no. So pinging is not going to be permitted. But if I look through my list again, I see that www and 443, which is web browsing. All right, so let's go to web browsing 192.168.1.100. Okay, so evidently the ACL is allowing web browsing. Now, that's using an IP. Can we use DNS, which would be rpm.org? Looks like DNS is working. All right, so for this computer, looks like the DNS and web browsing is working. We'll test this ACL. First we'll ping. Typo. Unreachable, so ping is not working. Can we web browse? Okay, web browser working, DNS working. So we'll go to the DNS name or the URL, rpm.org. Looks like that's working. Okay. Now, will email work? Looks like I'm in Team Mehok. I see a reply. That may have been before. So let's reply, send. And connection timed out. Okay. So Team Mehok's email is not working. Let's see if S. Caldwell can. We'll check on the web browsing real quick. We'll just do dnsrpm.org. So the ACL is working with pinging, and it's working with web browsing. And email is not working for Team Mehok. So can we reply? Reply, yes, send. Okay, no error. So it looks like S. Caldwell was able to send email. Let's see if Team Mehok can retrieve it. Looks like it's having difficulty. So configure mail. Let's double check the password. Password's correct, and we're still timing out. So we have one person's email working, the other person's not. Let's try the third. Reply to S. Caldwell. Seems like that worked. I already know that these icons here don't light up. So that's really strange. So 102, if we look at our list, 196.102 is not even on our list, but it's the only one allowed to email. So it looks like the ACL is not working properly. So POP and SMTP, the ACL reads .100 should be allowed to do many things. So 101 should do web browsing. 100 should do web browsing. 443 is secure web browsing. EQ20 is FTP. EQ FTP. POP and SMTP are both email. So the ACL is not actually working properly. If I remove the ACL, okay, I just removed the ACL. Go back into our computer as a test. Reply to S. Caldwell. Thanks. Send. It worked because there was nothing. Go to our Mehok. Reply. Send. Oh, there's the email that I sent earlier. So that popped in. So if we go back to the emails that weren't working, we will get new emails now. Once again, a new email. Current time. So what's difficult about ACLs is actually writing them properly and putting them in the right place. So this is a very complex ACL that we wrote. So once you define your ACL, like we do here, you apply your ACL with the command right here of IP access group enterprise out or in. So maybe that's the problem. Maybe it needs to be in and out. And then once you apply it, you test it. So my testing it's not been very successful. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing or stop recording at this point.